Hi, I'm Spencer, an expert builder at Naologic, and today I'll be explaining manufacturing functions. Let's get started.
Manufacturing functions provide essential tools for managing manufacturing workflows, including orders, work processes, inspections, and material consumption. These functions streamline manufacturing operations, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. To add any of these functions to your actions, first, locate the action you want to modify and press Edit. Inside the editor, click on Add Function, then click on the header of the newly added function. Next, look for the manufacturing subcategory and click on it. Here, you will find various manufacturing-related functions. The Calculate Manufacturing Order function computes all necessary values for a manufacturing order. The Confirm Manufacturing Order function validates and confirms a manufacturing order, allowing it to proceed in the workflow. The Create a Work Order function generates a new work order as part of the manufacturing process, defining specific tasks or steps in the workflow. The Create an Inspection, Fail an Inspection, or Pass an Inspection functions log inspection results, identifying issues, and flagging them for corrective action. The Rework Inspection function retriggers an inspection or corrective measures for items that did not pass the initial inspection. The Update Manufacturing Order function modifies details within a manufacturing order to ensure records remain accurate and up to date. All of these functions can be added to actions based on your specific workflow. These functions require predefined manufacturing documents, which can be either created from scratch or selected from predefined bundles. That's the end of our quick tutorial on manufacturing functions. You can check out our other documentation videos or reach out to the team and me with any recommendations for future help articles to help speed up your workflow.